coming over the stage, dear teachers, and my dear little scientists. First of all, I would like to wish you all a happy National Science Day. Every year, we are going to celebrate the National Science Day on 28th February to commemorate the invention of, which is that invention made by C.V. Raman. I'm not able to hear it properly. Pardon? Raman effect. Do you know what is the meaning of the Raman effect? One of the kids was saying here, why the color of the sky is blue? Can anyone give an explanation for that? See, celebrating the National Science Day, it should not be restricted to give the speeches on the stage. And learning science, it should not be restricted for the classrooms. Every way, wherever you are going to get the opportunity, you have to learn the science. And here, in the Vidyavarthi school, we are celebrating this National Science Day to inculcate and to develop and to cultivate the scientific thinking in the young minds like you. How to become the scientist? How to become scientist? Each and every one, you have the capability and capacity to become scientist. What is the basic thing you have to do to become a scientist? Do you know? Do you know what is the basic thing to become a scientist? As I did, questioning. Many of you have decorated with a rainbow. How many colors does it consist of? 7. Have you seen the rainbow? What is the shape of the rainbow? It's a semicircle. If you think it's a semicircle, you are wrong. Actually, the rainbow is full circle. Yes, this is the fact. Have you ever thought about it? You have to think in such a way. Start thinking now. Sir said that the rainbow is a full circle. But we are not able to see the full circle. Why? This is the beginning of thinking in a scientific manner. Isn't it? It's a simple way. If you stand up and see, how long you can see? After that, there is no land. Is there land or not? Can you see the whole earth by standing here? It's not possible. That is the way to think. That is the way you have to think. Take the words. Hereafter, you are always going to think differently. You are always going to think scientifically. There was a small kid in a small village. When he was sitting on the streets of his village, he saw a bird flying over him. After looking into the bird, he started to dream. Even I want to fly like that bird. He started to share his thoughts among the friends and the elders in this village. Then everyone they started to say and they started to laugh at him by thinking that he is making a fun here. But later, with his questioning ability, with his thinking ability, he became the Missile Man of India. Who is the Missile Man of India? APJ Abdul Kalam. When I was able to see so many astronauts, so many space searchers in our school, I was remembering that. Even ma'am, she asked me, very many of them are going to wear the same costume. I think to commemorate the great, one of the president of India. Who is that? APJ Abdul Kalam. And his thoughts, always he kept his high. Always used to think in a huge way. Many of the students, they were talking about the different scientists here. And one of them, previously, she spoke about the Thomas Alva Edison and Isaac Newton. Do you know what made him to find the gravitation law? When he was sitting on an apple tree, an apple fall on his head. Do you know this concept? ಅವನು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾಗ ಮರದ ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಆಪಲ್ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ ಅವನ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ. What you would have done in this place. ಅದಂತ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರ. He started to think. He started to ask the question about himself, for himself. Why the apple fall down? Why after ripening the fruits will fall down? That is the way each and every scientist, before becoming the scientist, they used to think. And Einstein, Albert Einstein. Do you know his story? If I keep on telling the stories about the many scientists, even today it may not be sufficient for me to say. Albert Einstein, he was rejected from the school. A letter has been given for his mother by mentioning that your kid is not fit for learning in the school. But later he invented so many things. He dedicated his life for the development of the world science. Even the Abdul Kalam, he has invented so many things. That is why he has received the honor by the title. What is the title? Missile Man of India. So, my humble request for you all is here. Being a student of Vidyavardhana International School, always try to think scientifically. Always try to ask the questions. Always try to get the question answered by yourself or someone like your friends, neighbors, teachers, elders. Will you? I'm not able to hear you properly. Yes, sir. By saying this, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you.